everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Well, I don't know what I'm going to call it, but in today's video, we are going to be making something incredible. It's the perfect backup Christmas present. In case you order stuff online and it doesn't show up in time, because we know what's happening in this universe right now. So anyways, this is just perfect to have as a backup. I mean, it's not much, but for all those friends that you were just gonna get something little for and it didn't get there, this is your ticket. And it's so simple. So what we're gonna be making is homemade vanilla. And this is what it's gonna look like. This one isn't filled yet because we're gonna do that. But as you can see, it's got a label on it, and then it's got a label on the back too. And I made all these labels by hand. I used Pink Monkey to make them. And it was super simple. I just copied and pasted it here and there and got a hair stuck to my face. So this is what the labels look like. I got two different kinds of bottles. I got this one, which I've already put the labels on. It's a square bottle, and this is 8.5 ounces. And then I got this one, which is kind of round. I probably wouldn't get this one again, just because the roundness made the labels, I had to make oval shaped labels. And this is what the labels look like. You can just take a screenshot of that. And that says, what it says at the top is homemade vanilla extract. And then it says with love, and then the Cursies, that's our name. And then the back of it tells you how to keep it. Once you have one of these bottles, it lasts forever, because I'll show you how we make it, and then I'll read you what the back label says. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take vanilla beans. Oh, I'm gonna move you guys up here so you can see what we're doing. Okay, so you're gonna take your vanilla beans, and it takes 5 beans. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beans per bottle. And all you do is, let's use this one that's already labeled. And we're just gonna open this up, and you take your 5 beans and you cut them all the way down, almost to the end. You wanna keep it attached at the top, and I don't know why. I got this from Daryl and Dinner on Instagram. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is just so perfect. Everybody should know how to do this. And it's so easy to turn it into a cute little gift. So you just cut it all the way up. I need to go get a pair of glasses before I mess this up. And a good sharp pair of scissors works better, because mine are kind of not cutting from here on in. So you cut almost to the end. You want all that open. And you do that to all 5 of them. And you stick them in the bottle. I'm gonna get my glasses. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut these real quick. It shouldn't take very long now that I can see what I'm doing. Cut them all the way up. And if you do happen to cut it in half or something, just throw it in there anyways. It's fine. This is going to be a short video, and it's going to go up late because it's late and my internet was so bad today. That's 3. And I have enough to make 6 bottles tonight. And then I have another 6. I bought 12 bottles, and then I bought I bought 30 vanillas to start with, and 6 bottles. And that's when I bought the round ones and decided that I didn't like the round ones as well because the labels are harder to put on it. So anyways, that's 5 of them. And then you just fill it with vodka. And it doesn't stay like vodka. It turns into vanilla, just like it's supposed to be. So we're gonna fill it with vodka, and this is super cheap vodka from Walmart. I think I paid $10 for this big thing. Let's see, let's get you where you'll be able to see it. There is a perfect place. So we're just gonna pour this in, and you just wanna make sure you fill it to where all the vanillas are, the beans are all the way covered. So I don't know if I have enough vodka, but that's okay. Oh no. Oh, that's perfect. So that's it. You just go like that, and then you move on to the next bottle. This is the one I have for the, this is the round ones. And I'm gonna put the oval. Anyways, now I was gonna show you what's on the back. It's the ingredients, which it is Tahitian, vanilla, beans, vodka, and vodka. That's it. That's all that goes in there. And you just put it together like this. Now it has to steep for 2 months. So even though I don't have 2 months till Christmas, I'm still gonna give it for Christmas. I'm just gonna tell them that it won't be ready for 2 months. And so you just clip it down and it's done, and it starts to turn brown pretty fast. So that's that one, it's done. And then we're gonna do this one because it's a round one, and then I'm gonna cut these out. Anyways, once you've made it, it has to steep for 2 months, and then you can start using it. And if you top it off, every time you use it, you just put more vodka in it. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. So if you just top it off and put more vodka in it every time you've used it, you never run out. The beans are fine forever. You don't have to buy it. The beans are the most expensive thing, and you never have to buy them again. So that's it. That's how we do it. I'm gonna make 6 of these bottles, and that's it. I just put a little piece of ribbon on it, and then all I did was make these on Pick Monkey, and then I bought at Hobby Lobby, this is sticker paper, and it's not pre-cut or anything. You just cut it out. So you can make them square or round or whatever you want, and just print it on there, and then put it on your bottles and tie a little bow on them. I thought this one was cute. This was the perfect bow until I took it off to measure it, and I tried to put it back on after I'd cut it. It's not perfect anymore, but it's fine. So I would suggest this one turned out better because I had the long ribbon still to work with, and then I just cut the ends off. So I would suggest doing it that way, because that way was really hard. This way it turns out really nice and cute, but it's still not very tight. But that's okay because the little metal thing holds it on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the perfect backup gift for Christmas. I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest of my gifts. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay cool.